Sweet rewards in small spaces. The joy of balcony berries. Imagine stepping onto your balcony and plucking a sun-warmed strawberry, the anticipation building as you reach for that perfect juicy fruit, its redness vibrant against the green leaves, a testament to the care and attention you've given it. This little piece of summer sweetness, grown with your own two hands, is a joy anyone can experience, even without a sprawling garden. The satisfaction of nurturing a plant from seedling to fruit is unparalleled. Growing strawberries on a balcony is easier than you might think. With just a few pots and some basic gardening knowledge, you can transform your small space into a lush, productive garden. It's a rewarding journey from tiny seedling to juicy fruit. Watching the plants grow day by day, seeing the first flowers bloom and finally, the fruit forming, is a magical process. Whether you have a small balcony or a spacious terrace, you can create a haven for these delightful berries. The key is to choose the right varieties and provide them with the care they need. So, let's get started and turn your balcony into a fruitful paradise. With a little effort, you can enjoy fresh strawberries right at your doorstep. This essay will guide you through the simple steps of growing strawberries on your balcony. From selecting the right containers to choosing the best soil mix, we'll cover everything you need to know. We'll explore the best strawberry varieties for limited spaces, ensuring you get the most out of your balcony garden. The secrets of container gardening will be unveiled, showing you how to create the perfect environment for your plants, and clever ways to maximize your balcony's potential will be shared, including vertical gardening techniques and space-saving tips. Growing your own food is a fulfilling experience, and with a little know-how, you'll be enjoying the sweet taste of homegrown strawberries in no time. Imagine the pride and joy of serving your family and friends strawberries that you grew yourself. It's not just about the fruit, it's about the journey and the connection to nature that comes with it. Picking the perfect strawberry for your balcony patch. Choosing the right strawberry variety is crucial for a bountiful harvest on your balcony. With limited space, it's essential to select a type that not only thrives in containers, but also meets your taste preferences and gardening goals. Some strawberries, called June bearers, produce one large crop per year. These are perfect if you want a big harvest all at once, ideal for making jams or freezing. Others, known as everbearing strawberries, offer multiple harvests throughout the growing season. This means you can enjoy fresh strawberries from spring through fall, making them a great choice for continuous snacking and fresh use. For balconies, everbearing varieties are ideal, providing a continuous supply of fresh berries. They are well suited for container gardening and can adapt to the limited space of a balcony. Here are 4 fantastic everbearing strawberry varieties perfect for balcony gardens. Each of these varieties has unique characteristics that make them stand out. Alpine strawberry. This variety thrives in containers and produces small, flavorful berries throughout the summer. They are known for their intense aroma and sweet taste, making them a delightful addition to any balcony garden. Seascape strawberry, known for its vigorous growth and abundant fruit production. Seascape is a top choice for beginners. Its large, juicy berries are perfect for fresh eating, and the plant is relatively easy to care for. Eversweet strawberry. True to its name, Eversweet offers a long season of sweet, juicy berries. This variety is particularly appreciated for its consistent flavor and productivity, making it a reliable choice for any gardener. Ozark Beauty strawberry. This variety is praised for its disease resistance and large, flavorful strawberries, making it a favorite among gardeners. Its robust nature ensures a healthy plant that can withstand various growing conditions. When selecting your strawberry plants, opt for healthy specimens from a reputable nursery. This ensures that you start with strong plants that have the best chance of thriving on your balcony. Look for vibrant green leaves and avoid plants with any signs of pests or diseases. Healthy leaves are a good indicator of a plant's overall health and its potential to produce a good crop. Now that you have chosen your perfect strawberry variety, let's prepare their new home. Ensure your containers have good drainage and are filled with high-quality potting mix. Position them in a sunny spot on your balcony, as strawberries need plenty of sunlight to produce their best fruit. Regular watering and occasional feeding with a balanced fertilizer will keep your plants healthy and productive. Happy gardening! Creating a cozy container home for your strawberry plants. Imagine stepping out onto your balcony or patio and being greeted by the sight of lush green strawberry plants thriving in their cozy container homes. Today, we're going to show you how to create the perfect environment for your strawberries, ensuring they grow healthy and produce delicious fruit. Strawberries thrive in well-drained soil and spacious containers. Proper drainage is crucial because it prevents the roots from sitting in water, which can lead to root rot and other issues. Always check the drainage of your containers before planting. Choose pots that are at least 12 inches in diameter and depth to allow for proper root development. This size ensures that the roots have enough space to spread out and grow, which is essential for the overall health of the plant. Larger pots also help retain moisture better, reducing the frequency of watering. Ensure your chosen containers have drainage holes to prevent waterlogging, which can harm the plants. If your pots don't have drainage holes, you can easily add them using a drill. This simple step can make a big difference in the health of your strawberry plants. When it comes to soil, strawberries prefer a slightly acidic to neutral pH. Aim for a pH level between 5.5 and 7.0. You can test your soil using a pH meter or pH testing kit, which are readily available at garden centers or online. A good quality potting mix formulated for vegetables or fruits is ideal. These mixes are designed to provide the right balance of nutrients and drainage for your plants. Look for a mix that contains organic matter such as compost or peat moss to help retain moisture and provide essential nutrients. You can further enhance drainage by adding perlite or vermiculite to the mix. These materials help to aerate the soil, allowing for better root growth and preventing compaction. Simply mix them into your potting soil before filling your containers. Planting your strawberries is simple. Start by filling your containers with the prepared potting mix, making sure to leave some space at the top for watering. Fill the container with soil, leaving about 2 inches of space from the rim. This space will make it easier to water your plants without the soil overflowing. Gently remove the strawberry plant from its nursery pot and loosen any circling roots. This helps the roots spread out more easily once planted, promoting better growth. Create a small mound in the center of the container and position the plant on top, ensuring the crown, where the leaves meet the roots, is level with the soil surface. This positioning is crucial for the plant's health and growth. Fill the remaining space with soil, gently firming it around the plant. Be careful not to bury the crown, as this can lead to rot. Water the plant thoroughly after planting to help settle the soil and eliminate any air pockets. Section 4. Sunlight, water, and food. Keeping your strawberry plants happy. Strawberries adore sunshine. For optimal growth and fruit production, they require at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Place your containers in the sunniest spot on your balcony, ensuring they receive adequate light throughout the day. Consistent watering is crucial for healthy strawberry plants. Water deeply whenever the topsoil feels dry to the touch, but avoid overwatering. Insert your finger into the soil. If it feels moist, hold off on watering. Feeding your strawberries is essential for a bountiful harvest. Use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer specifically formulated for fruits and vegetables. Follow the package instructions for application rates and frequency. Alternatively, you can supplement their diet with organic fertilizers like compost tea or worm castings. Section 5. Making the most of your balcony space. Clever ideas for growing more. Limited balcony space shouldn't limit your strawberry growing aspirations. There are numerous creative ways to maximize your growing area and cultivate an abundance of delicious berries.